Hello guys, once again welcome back to another video of our channel. Today the Team FreahTalk will be participating in the tournament. So she will be co-host or host of the day. Yes. Chalo. Chalo.
They are the supporter of Zeliang FreshTalk. Silent before going to the match, but let's see how his work is. The match will be begin soon, and here is a sponsor, Mr. FreshTalk. He look handsome, but not for girl, only for boy. The match will be begin soon, and here is a point counter. Point adjustment. Here is a judge. Now, before going to the match, they are holding each other. They are praying. They are understanding to the guard before going to the match, because for the safety, their body, and for win. The first ball was given by Tongze Youth Club and received by the Team FreahTalk. So the ball is not falling in the ground till now, because the match is very hard. And the first kill was got by Mr. FreahTalk, and the ball was given by the FreahTalk team, and they are unluckily unreceived. Wow. The point counting man is changing because this point counting boy is becoming tired. So the newcomer is here. The FreshTalk is giving service, not a government service, but this is just a volleyball service. So
FreshTalk 12.
okay, they did very well. Maro. Before silence, the FreshTalk team is win. Here is a crawl audience are present for watching a FreshTalk team versus Tongze Youth team. Now the point is called by Tongze Youth. Tongze 6, FreshTalk 4. And he's very angry to the camera because he's not living in digital age. Because this is a digital age, now it's not time to side the camera.
6 old.
No problem, no problem. Finally, FreshTalk won the match, and lastly, my face was hit by ball. Welcome back to the next day, and today, Mr. FreshTalk is busy on editing film, so I came here in his blog. I'll be the camera holder for today. Against. It's called again. So before I begin the match, I'm just sitting in a car and taking rest, because when the match starts, I will be busy on capturing the video of our FreshTalk teams. So now just I'm talking in the vehicle, and here is a brother Sangti quietly coming and selling the waters, and he's waving to the camera.
अभी सेमीफाइनल खेला होगा।
Now we are begin to start our match. So the first ball will be held by our team, FreshTalk. Here is a judge with a cowboy cap.
direct point goal, okay? Direct point goal, okay?
Clear.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice shot.
Good. Nice. Ayo. Good. Nice. Good. Wow. Out.
It's not yet, but they are discussing because the opponent party are taking chance for the race.
Clear. Hey. Sabas.
Good.
The right ball. Quay nè, Rambol. Out cô ta, mau mạ, đuôi, cả, tên rể cô. Nice.
Good.
FreshTalk 18 down 6.
Lùa.
Blow out.
Last warning.
Under 10 first warning.
Warning.
Hey! Whoa! Last ball. Good boy. Wow!
We win the first round. Now it's the time to side change. Anh just, kìa ngay just tên này.
Good ball.
Sabas! Back up,
This will be the final match. This is the keeper, different dress. Now here. This is the audience, and they are the supporter of FreshTalk team.
No, I'm not the supporter of FreshTalk.
Okay, then you can leave this space. So, but it's very happy. As happy as happy dance.
That's happy then.
The match will be Mpuilo versus FreshTalk team. This is the final match. The first ball was given by Mpuilo and received by FreshTalk team. The first point was got by FreshTalk team. FreshTalk is very play man, so he love to laugh. You have to do.
FreshTalk, 4 love. Continue point. FreshTalk 13, YC 7.
Finally, we are the champion of this tournament. So here's are my players. Hi, hello.
Chief guest, partner, runner up hangge pegay radile. Winner hangge prize lugara captain nang rulero ze sabtu ze wangelo ze winner hang pera hangge ya sir pronouns yung MAC partner pegay radile. Misui sangda,
Hey, best player of the match. Wow. So thank you so much everyone for your supporting. Because of your support, we the FreshTalk team won this tournament. So thank you so much.